Feeling very godly and rich. Yes.
This kind thing I never see, yo. My pressure, they high got me down, whoa, whoa. My girl, hold on to me, yo. Never ever leave me for crash, oh, oh, oh. Girl, you they make me shiver, oh. Girl, if you leave us over, oh. With you, I get no allow, oh. I one day with you.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today is January 30th. It's a Saturday. By the time this video goes up, I'm sure we're gonna be in the new year, so let me just go ahead and wish you guys happy new year, happy new beginning, happy new start, fresh start. This is 2018, technically still 2017, but let's just pretend, okay? Today is your first time of seeing me. My name is MakeupbyJayTee, but you can call me JT. But if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back, boo. Just want to start this new year on a good note. I want to start it by, telling myself that I'm going to be consistent with my YouTube videos, my YouTube channel, I should say. So please, y'all, pray for me, because y'all know I got 3 kids and it's not easy. And just hope I can keep that promise. Okay, I'm done. Back to regular schedule. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and I'm thinking I want to do a get ready with me, like a chit chat, get ready with me. I do not know what I'm going to talk about. I don't know how that's going to go, because right now the boys I sent the 2 older ones to go to sleep, and the baby is with grandpa, so let's just see how long that's going to go. If it cooperates, I can hear him whining already. If it cooperates, then I'll do like a chit chat. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut and just do the tutorial. So let's hope that works out. I already did my brows off camera. I'm going to leave a link to a brow tutorial for you guys. I just applied a lip balm to my lips, so, and I also already prepped my eyes for eyeshadow. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? I'm really excited for the new year that's coming. I know we all go into the new year not knowing what it's gonna bring, but I just pray it brings greatness to every areas of our lives, and I pray we all just find happiness in 2018 in every areas of our life, nothing in particular. I'm going to be using the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place. Ooh. Anyways, I'm taking the shade Castina, and I'm just gonna use that to warm up my lid, or I should say my crease. In terms of my channel for 2018, I really want to have fun doing it. I mean, not that I don't have fun, creating all these videos, but I want to have much more fun. I want to do, things that are creative. I want to push myself. I want to go out of my, my comfort zone when it comes to makeup. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Jamila. And I'm going to be going into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I would like to know some of you guys' New Year's resolutions, so comment down below. Let's just talk. I also know that this year for sure I want to play with colors when it comes to my hair, because I do feel like I'm really boring when it comes to my hair for sure, and that's just because that's just laziness on my part. And also I got 3 kids. I really cannot be bothered with having to get ready, do my makeup, and then I have to style my hair, and then getting 3 kids ready wherever I'm going to. So that's why sometimes I'm just always doing something quick and easy. I'm just gonna be taking a clean brush, and I'm just gonna diffuse that a little bit. Now taking a more detailed brush, I'm going to be mixing this brown shade right here in the Zulu palette, and because I know that shade is not dark enough, and then I'm gonna mix it with Chad from the Saharan palette. And chat is a matte black, and the other shade is just a matte. It's just a brown shade. I'm just slowly building it up to the intensity that I want. Back into that little blending brush, I'm gonna take more of that raspberry shade from the Saharan palette. I'm really sorry, y'all. I don't know what's going on with my light and my window today. They're just making the palette look different. I'm taking the actual blending brush, and I'll be taking a little bit more of the raspberry shade. And then from the Zulu palette, I'll be taking this beautiful rose gold shade right here.
That's not what I wanted to do. I'm supposed to add glitter. Yeah.
Moving on to the face, I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Makeup Forever Step 1. For foundation, I'm going to be using the LA Color Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to be setting my under eye with the Beauty Bakery Flower setting powder in yellow. I'm going to set my face with the LA Color Mineral Powder. For blush, I'm going to be using La Femme blushes in Precious Plum. I'm so excited to be trying the new JayTee Eyeliner and Addis Couture highlight in the shade La Peach. I've tried the La Bronze before. I love La Bronze. I use La Bronze when I do want that peachy glow, but today I'm so excited to be trying the La Peach. And then for lips, I'm going to be using Lashes Balina liquid lipstick in Baby Matte in the shade Nudish. And this is not the shade I want, so I'm going to be switching. This is not the shade I was looking for, so I'm gonna get something. I'm going to be using ABH liquid lipstick in Soft Lilac, and then I'm gonna top that with Milkshake. I'm telling you, y'all, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. I have recorded my outro and talking all this time, and I'm not knowing that my microphone was off. Yeah, the devil's a liar. This is not how we're gonna start 2018. I refuse to start 2018 like this. Y'all do not know what I went through to record this video. With my baby not wanting to stay with grandpa. Yeah, he's right there. To him crying while he was there, because usually when I put him next to me he's fine, but today he just wants me to hold him. And finally his dad got home and I'm like, let me continue recording, and then the camera started acting up, giving me all this error codes. So we're not going to start 2018 like this. Act off, devil. Back. You were not invited. Anybody invite you to this party? You are staying in 2017. You're staying there, devil. To the end of the tutorial, as always, thank you so much, dolls, for watching. Thank you for rocking with me all this while. Thank you for everything. I pray this new year is going to be great for, you know, every single one of us. I pray that the Lord will bestow us with abundant blessings. It's praying. I just say amen. That's a prayer. I pray that God's divine protection will be on myself, my family, and yourself and your family. I pray that 2018 is just going to be great for every single one of us. I pray that everything we lay our hands upon shall prosper. I pray that everywhere we go, that the Spirit of God will not be, or that His presence will not be. We will not go there. I pray that He will order our steps. I pray that everything that we want out of 2018, the Lord will grant it. Will grant us. As long as it's in His will and His purpose for us, I pray that He will hear every of our heart desires. 2018, I'm ready for you. I don't care what today is saying, because the devil is trying me. The devil is trying me. Like I said at the beginning of the tutorial, that I do want to try something new, and I'm saying something new in terms of, you know, everything in general, not necessarily just my YouTube. I just want to have fun. I do have fun, but I feel like my life, in the past 4 or 5 years, I've been living my life for my kids, which I'm not stopping. I still want to live my life for my kids, but at the same time, I want to have fun for me. I want to do something fun for myself. I just want to have fun and know that I'm doing this for me. Starting with my hair, I feel like I'm always boring with the hair, so this year we're gonna do something new. We're gonna start with something new. I started with something new because this is new to me. I hope you guys like it. What do you guys think about my poof, my little afro poof? I want to try color. I want to try different texture. I want to try different lengths. I just want to go out of my comfort zone when it comes to, you know, beauty, my channel, my life, and everything. And also, I want you guys to give me a suggestion. Let me know what you guys would like to see and what you guys don't want to see on my channel, on my YouTube channel. Since I'm entertaining y'all, so it's best if you guys let me know what you want and what you don't want. My son is over here looking at me like, "Mommy, you crazy? Who are you talking to?" This is Jeremiah, y'all. Jeremiah, say hi. Jeremiah. Jeremiah. Dama booba. Dama booba. Dama booba. Yeah. Anyways, dolls, thank you so much for watching as always. I really appreciate you. Like I said before, I really do. If you're new here, stop right there. Do not move. Make sure you subscribe so that you can, you know, come back, join this party. You know, we have parties here once in a while. We just don't tell no one. And also, y'all, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you guys can see when I do upload. And also, let me know if you guys want, when you guys want me to upload. Do you want me to upload twice a week, once a month? Never. I hope you guys will not say never. Well, I want you guys to, you know, communicate with me. Let me know what you want. Let me know what you want. Give me suggestions. Maybe that's what it is. Give me suggestions and we'll see if I can, you know, make it work. Y'all don't know I have 3 kids, and yeah, so that's my full-time work. That's my full-time job. So yeah. Nevertheless, let's end this tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year once again. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye, dolls.